In this video, I am going to show you how to use history command in PowerShell. So by default, PowerShell does not collect any history, but it does collect history when a session is active only. Like Linux, it doesn't have any file where it can store history. So let's run some command so that I can show you how history works. So basically, I have run three commands. I can show you. So if I want to run a specific command, either you can use scroll button, but PowerShell has a unique command for this. You can invoke, you can use the invoke command. First of all, we will the get history command to get the history. So I have run four command and PowerShell has assigned a ID to every command line I have run. If you want to run get child item or get help or get command, so we can use invoke hyphen history and then the number of the command that you want, ID of the command that you want to run. That is, if I want to run only get child item, so I will type one. So it will show me the contents of my directory. So if you don't want to remember invoke history command, you can type press F7 from your keyboard. So you will get the list of the command in this way also. So it is a very common command. This command also works in command prompt. So you can use this key to get to the point. For example, if I want to run the get history command, simply select 3 and press enter. We can also see this is only a minute version of get history. We can also access more properties because the PowerShell is based on .NET platform, and in .NET platform we can use the structured objects inside PowerShell. So to use structured objects, we can get history, and then we can get member, member type. So now we have some more option in the get history command. Now we will use the cmdelete to get extract more out of this get history command. ID execution time and execution. So in this way we can use also structured objects inside PowerShell. Thanks for watching.